A 3-year-old lab mix is alive tonight thanks to a quick-thinking police officer. Officer Tracker racing to save the dog from a burning home.
Take a look at this huge fire on South Sheridan Circle that ignited a flashover and destroyed the house within minutes. Jay Mobley and his girlfriend weren't home at the time, but their dogs, JJ and their cat Bella, were trapped inside. Officer Shoemaker couldn't reach the couple's cat, but they did save the dog.
I stepped in, was able to coax the dog to me. I wasn't sure if it'd be mean or not, considering I just kicked his door in. He came right to me.
I'm glad. I'm really glad that everything will be taken care of in the end. We're just glad that, we're safe.
The Olathe Fire Department put the couple and JJ up for a night in a hotel. It's believed a faulty furnace may have sparked that fire.